You can eat them green, boil it. You can eat them ripe as well. And so you have some that are coming up. So that's the banana. And over that side is the breadfruit. Then you have gungo. Gungo tree.